These are the elevators here at Perimeter Mall parking garage near Macy's in Atlanta, Georgia. These are Schindler 300A MT hydraulic. These were also installed in 1997. Here's this one. That one is defunct. No chime. Here we are at 1. Five. Here we are at 5. And there's the sunset. Anyway, we will get off at 3. And these elevators are nice. And they are the same as the ones near Nordstrom. Here we are at 3. There they go. And that will be it.